Hi everyone, I'm Julie Webb and welcome to the UC Tech Chat. Today we have with us Jason Medford. Hello Jason.
Hey Julie.
And today we're going to be talking about legacy PBX to VoIP migration. So thanks for being here, Jason.
Glad to be here.
So a lot of people are out there watching and they are experiencing the legacy PBX and maybe a little afraid to even consider a VoIP migration. So tell us, what do they need to consider? How would they know when it's time to upgrade?
One of the first telling signs is going to be if your phone system has the name Nortel, 3Com, ComDial, or Intertel in it, because as you may know, those are some dinosaurs as far as legacy phone systems go. There's no voice over IP for those systems. They're end of life. So those are some immediate triggers to let me know it's time for that customer to upgrade.
What are some of the benefits of upgrading to VoIP from a legacy system?
Some of the key benefits are going to be around the different key groups that are going to care about that upgrade. Employees are going to be one. The employees are going to care mostly about what capabilities am I going to be getting that make me more productive. Mobility, unified communications come to mind. Also training. The end users or the employees are going to want something that's intuitive. They're used to on a legacy system having to contact the IT department for anything related to the phone. They want the ability to be able to do that by themselves with some self-help from the phone system that they choose. The owners are going to care about cost savings. With a voice over IP system, they get increased efficiency. They're going to get the addition of SIP trunking, which a lot of times can save on circuit costs. They can add the ability to run reporting to track their marketing investments to see if they're getting the ROI on their advertising. So those are the cost-saving things the owners are going to care about. And then the IT group, it simplifies their life. It's one network to manage. So all those groups are going to care about that migration, and those are the key benefits.
Well, it sounds like there's probably some other benefits of upgrading to VoIP from a legacy PBX. So why don't you tell us a little bit about some of those?
Okay. Yeah, some of the other benefits, there's going to be various different things, including a lot of considerations. One thing is going to be the network. They definitely need to assess their network stability. Is it ready for an IP deployment? The network is so critical when migrating to a voice over IP solution that their router, their switch, their firewall, all those things need to be verified to make sure they're ready for that upgrade. Features like quality of service, VLAN support, those need to be there as well.
So I'm sure people are watching and they're just chugging along trying to keep it going with the legacy PBX, and they really don't understand the benefits that would be available if they just made the jump to VoIP. So these are some great information. What are some other important considerations that companies should think about as they're making the move?
A couple of other things is the vendor that they choose. I would recommend looking at vendors that have all features included. One of the key things is they don't want to have to worry about being nickeled and dimed down the road once they've made that initial investment. They want something that's easy to use and intuitive. They want their administration staff and their users to be able to adopt this new technology, and making sure it's easy is essential, and that training is going to be easy because change is definitely difficult. Seeing a demo of the product is critical as well, so I would recommend seeing a demo of the vendor that you're looking at. Those are probably the key things that I think are most important.
And those are huge because you go out there and you Google VoIP phone systems and you get the laundry list. So it would be very overwhelming for some folks. So those pointers are just excellent.
Yeah. One other thing I'll add, just that thinking through some of the key things, integration. A lot of people want the ability to integrate with business apps that they already use, and making sure there's APIs or different integration options in addition to a future-proof technology that's going to grow with their business, or two additional considerations I would add.
Very important. Well, thanks, Jason, for being with us today. This has been really informative, and appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you next time for UC Tech Chat.